Okay, so once you've gotten to the website on this free play site, you'll see a couple of things. You've got this grid here. This is like your matrix grid. You've got this kind of blank area here. We'll talk about that in a moment. And here is how you essentially control the size of your matrix grid. So you can increase the width, and it makes it like really flat. You can increase the height, makes it kind of tall and skinny, or you can just actually put in the values here. We're going to make this into a 5 by 5 because that is what your microbit looks like. Your microbit is a 5 by 5 LED display, and we are just going to walk through how it is it knows which LEDs to turn on. So how do you make these turn on or off? Well, that is going to come here into your free play. Remember, we are working with binary. So binary only works with ones and zeros. So if I were to type in some ones and zeros, okay, I'm making a checkerboard. So these ones and zeros are associated with how this thing gets displayed. And as a human, this is really hard to read this. And so you may want to select this readable format right here. And it puts it into that grid shape for you. Okay, so raw format is just like the string of numbers all in a row. Readable format, probably easier for your eyes to see. And you can essentially see how it's coded. So this first square is a 0, so nothing's happening. The second square is a 1, so there's a light, 0, dark, 1 light, 0 dark. Okay, and it repeats 1 light, 0 dark, 1 light, 0 dark, and it corresponds with this code. So you can kind of play around with this code to create different patterns here. So let me try doing this. Okay, so now I've got this little pattern. Again, you can put it all in a row for the raw format, or you can have the readable format. I prefer the readable because it's kind of visual. So what you're going to do is you are going to create some images. And once you have your image, you're going to take a screenshot of your image. So you'll say, okay, got this. You'll bring this into your document. And you'll also copy what your code is. So you'd copy over this so that we can see what is your visual code and then what is your binary code. So clearly this isn't going to fit because this is not a smiley face. You're going to have to make a smiley face, you're going to make a heart, and then you're just going to make some of your own images as well.